get a video out yesterday because it was my son's birthday this week. He was 9 and there's just been a lot of madness going on in my life. Hi guys, my name is JB, singing vegan mum. Now back to what I was saying. So I just thought I would go to a takeaway and get some lovely food at a wonderful place called Pempamsie. I've talked about them before. They're pretty brilliant. It's Monday now and I normally put a video out on a Sunday. But today I'm going to do a video which is a bit like a review video. I actually haven't eaten much all day. I've just had... Gosh, what did I have today? Oh, I think I've just had fruit. I've just had water and fruit, which is not good. Don't recommend it, guys. So I'm in Lewisham now. I had to visit my dad for things. And I'm going home now. It's just about 6 o'clock. So literally all day I've just had fruit and water. And I'm going to get something at Pempamsie. Not sure what it is. Pempamsie is a restaurant. And they've got a few now all over London. I think one in Tottenham, I could be lying. I know one in Brixton. I think Brixton was the first one. One here in Lewisham. And Tottenham. There's a couple more, but I'm not sure where. So yeah, I'm going to go and get me some food. I've got the radio on when I'm talking. That's so bad. That's going to interfere with our business, right? So yeah, I'm going to go and get some food. Also, what's the beautiful thing about Pempamsie is not Pempamsie. I've said the wrong word. I've been calling it Pempamsie. Actually, it's Eat of Eden. Pempamsie is next door, which is like their herbal shop. It's the same company. So next door to Eat of Eden, where I'm going to eat my food or get my food, there is a lovely herbal shop called Pempamsie, and there's a lot of those around. The original one was in Brixton, and now there's a few of those as well all over the place. I'm not going to lie and tell you where they are. And they've got all your herbal needs. If you go there for all your herbs, some nice African books, some nice books for you to read, cookbooks as well, spiritual stuff. Really, really, really good. No, there's nowhere to park. Anyway, I'm going to show you. Nowhere to park, but this is where I'm going. They've done all kinds of funny stuff. Look, I'm going here. It's empty. And I'm going in there. That looks pretty empty too. So guess what? I've parked like miles and miles and miles away just to get some food, yeah? But it's going to be worth it. Yeah. So, long walking along Lehigh Road to get what I want. Sometimes you just got to walk for what you want, right? Look, this is the shop. But this is where I'm going in now. Okay, they're open. Hello. I'm good, thank you. I'm just making a little video. Hope you don't mind.
You should have told me I would have got my makeup on my head.
Oh, you're beautiful anyway, trust me.
Yeah, I know that, but I want to look more beautiful for your people.
Oh, really? See this handsome man, yeah? He doesn't have to do nothing. He looks gorgeous. I never met you before.
Oh, no?
Yeah, I met the other lady, younger lady. Gosh, what's her name now?
Erica?
Erica,
My
yeah.
sister.
Your sister, wow. Very talented family then, because every time I come here, there's a sister, there's another sister.
Yes, my other sister, yeah.
Yeah?
There's a few of us, but yeah 3 of us we do up there.
You do, okay. I used to go to your Pempamsie all the time in Brixton.
Brixton one, right, okay.
Before this happened, yeah? Do you know what I mean? I used to literally go like once a month to Brixton, buy everything that lasts me for the month.
Yeah.
And then when these guys moved to Lewisham, it was the most happiest thing that happened. I was so happy. So yeah, so I come here now, I don't have to like buy the world.
Yeah.
I can take my time.
Take your time. Find what you need, innit?
Yeah. So I'm looking for barley powder.
Okay.
What's the green stuff? And then what would you recommend like for a detox? Like what powders? I always make a smoothie in the morning.
Okay.
But you know, sometimes you want a kind of a different.
Yeah. Have you ever thought about doing the Atumbi? Have you ever done the Atumbi?
What's that? Atumbi?
Yeah, the Atumbi, like it's the colon cleanse.
Ah, okay. I've heard about it. Yes, I've thought about it, but what would I need to take for a colon cleanse?
So you just take the tablet and it kind of just works out for its whole day. So then you do it and then you stay at home for like the day. And you just go toilet, and every time when you go toilet you would have like a little glass of water.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna flush that out of your system and just keep rinsing and
going.
repeating
Until
the process is done. It lasts no longer than 12 hours. It might be shorter, but
okay.
But yeah,
I might do that tomorrow.
That's definitely something that I'd recommend that people to do.
And do you fast on it as well?
Yeah. So some people, if you was gonna take it today, some people necessarily wouldn't eat till eat for the rest of the day, or eat not after like 7 or 6 or so.
Yeah.
So you could eat a little bit, but it just depends on your diet, to be fair.
So have you got this Mutumbi?
Oh yeah.
Is it Mutumbi or Nutumbi?
Atumbi.
Atumbi, is that the barley? Sorry, right in our faces, right?
Yeah. So that's the Atumbi.
Okay. How much thousands of pounds is that?
£15.
Okay, that's not bad. £15. Let me show you guys. £15 for a colon cleanse.
To cleanse your colon.
Yeah, we'll do.
You feel 10 times better for it after. It's very intrusive. I'm not gonna lie. Like there are moments where. Are you a vegan? Or
yeah, I'm a vegan.
Oh, so it won't be so bad for you. When I first did mine, I was my diet was horrible.
Oh really?
So, yeah, so I had the cramps. I had the throwing up. I had it all.
Oh wow.
So yeah, and especially for me as a man, I've never had stomach cramps like that before. So I feel everything was coming to an end. But once I got over it, like the first 3 hours, like I just felt 10 times better, and the process kind of started, and I just feel 10 times better for it now. So
okay.
I definitely recommend that everyone should do it.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. A Atumbi. All right, and so I'll do it all day tomorrow. We're just drinking water and fasting. I mean, today I only had fruit and water today.
Okay, so you're already halfway there.
I'm halfway there, but I was gonna eat something next door.
Oh yeah, you'll be alright.
And then
then you could just don't eat for the rest of the night, and then you'll be alright.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Right. So I'm getting my regular sea moss. Let me see, that one will do be. As you can see, look, pretty store with pretty things that make you feel good. What's your name?
Rodney.
Rodney. See Rodney? Rodney's doing good here at a wonderful Pempamsie. Now he's persuaded me to do a colon cleansing now. Yeah, and if I feel like my world has ended, I'm coming for Rodney.
Yeah, no, listen, call me. So throughout your whole process, if you ever feel like you can't deal with it or whatever, just give me a call and I'll talk you through it. Because I've been there and I've done that. I wouldn't, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, Rodney, I feel like I'm gonna die. Is this real?
Yeah, I've given it to people, and I had to talk them through it. So
right.
It's not something that I'm not used to.
Right. Okay.
Especially knowing that I did it myself, it just makes
makes sense.
Yeah.
What's this colon? Oh, there.
So that's an oxygen colon flush. So that one is like will help for people to go toilet. Right. Pushing oxygen back into the colon, which is the only thing the Atumbi doesn't do, and also it's not so intrusive. So you could do that and still have a function.
And live a life.
Go get your hair done, go meet the girls, whatever. With this one, you're staying at home for the whole day.
I'm staying at home for that one. Yeah. Because my Basil had recommended the colon flush one here for my dad anyway. Because my dad, you guys, whenever my dad's Mr. Ross, I don't know if you know, and whenever my dad rings, you lot send him some.
Oh, the guy that lives in Lewisham.
That's my dad.
Oh yeah, we come to there all the time. Man. Yeah, I like that.
So yeah. So Basil's giving him a whole list of things, and whenever that runs out, he rings you guys up. Something like Dad, you know, my dad's a bit.
I've gone down to your dad to give him stuff on like when he couldn't come down.
Yeah. So because you know Basil recommended a whole series of stuff and all that. You know what I mean? You guys are good people here. These people are good people. What, being a vegan
eating meat made me feel sad.
Oh, made you feel sad.
Like, because I used to eat, I'm a heavy, like, my parents are Caribbean, so I you know what I mean, like, I fully used to love chicken. And
yeah.
A couple months ago, when I decided not to do it, didn't eat it for a while, had a bit into a piece of chicken, just instantly just felt. And I just couldn't shake it for days.
It's the energy, you see what I mean? You're taking in all that grief and all that, fear
100%.
before they died.
Yeah, so I was just like, and like I said, I couldn't shake it for days. I couldn't figure out what it was. I was having a conversation with my friend. He's like, bro, you know you bit into a piece of chicken. Oh my god, that's what it must have been.
Yeah.
He's like, you've been eating clean for the past couple months prior to that. So that's the only thing.
And your body is now kind of
just knowing my body doesn't want it.
Yeah.
The idea of it smells nice, but the idea of eating it just
that's right.
It makes me feel a bit.
Yeah, you're taking in all that fear and terror, and then you are fearful, you are terrified.
Yeah. So now I'm good. I'm gonna try to go at least the rest of the year without eating it.
Yeah.
This is my first proper year of not eating meat.
Okay.
Like I've never ever eaten.
And how do you feel? Good, the skin and everything?
My skin feels better, my digestive system feels better. Yeah. Just my sleep, everything just feels better. Like I just feel 10 times better with myself just not eating it. You know what I mean? But obviously, I just have to structure my days in a certain way now because I just can't eat anywhere, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So planting is my go-to. So I'm on that journey right now.
Oh, nice one, Rodney.
Thank you.
Well, you'll see me again, and thank you for looking out for my dad.
No worries, man.
All right. Take care. Bye. So that was the lovely Rodney in Pempamsie. So now I'm gonna go into the next place, Eat of Eden. Now look, this is the food menu. If I wanted a meal, look, pumpkin and sweet potato and plantain, macaroni pie, mushroom and lentil soup. But this is enough things, it was enough. The red rice, chickpea curry and callaloo. Again, it sounds nice, but it's enough. And then here's the rest of other food. Anyway, I can see this lovely man. So guys, I am in the wonderful Eat of Eden. The lovely lady here. I'm just recording my little food vlog. I'm starving, but I'm not going to eat enough. What do you suggest? Light? Because your food is enough, right? I don't really want enough. I'm heavy. Planting or patty. You see what I'm saying? So when I said to the young lady I wanted something small, she just said patty because everything else is filling. If you're hungry, come. True, isn't it, brother? Yeah. Come. But if you just want little, it can't work. Yeah, it can't work. And I'm not complaining either. Do you know what I mean? Oh, they've got seaweed fritters. Is that new? I never heard about that. It's not new. Alright, well let's try the seaweed. How much is the seaweed fritters? Oh, I tell you what, I'll have an order of sweet potato fries. That's me, yeah. I like the fritters and the sweet potato fries. But I said I'm not complaining. If you're hungry, come to Eat of Eden, yeah. 6.45. What's your name, lovely? Sharocco. What kind of lovely name? Sharocco. She's such a lovely lady. So isn't that nice? Thank you very much, honey. Lovely. Thank you, sweetie. Beautiful. Thank you. Lovely people here at Pempamsie. I've got my food. It's quite heavy, considering I'm still trying to be a little bit light. And now that Rodney at Pempamsie has suggested that I do a colon cleanse, I don't want no heavy food. But it's all good, yeah. It's vegan. Freshly cooked. There's no ping, no microwave thing going on around here. So sweet potato fries, freshly fried, looking lovely. Look at that. Enough, man. Plenty. Now for the seaweed fritters. But wait, these things are massive, man. They're massive. Look at that seaweed fritter. That's amazing. I didn't know if that was that much. This is so tasty. I think it's gluten-free as well. We're gonna have to try this recipe ourselves, right? And try and recreate it. Really fat and thin. Now when I'm coming home from my dad's, I just know what my snack is. It's so nice. It's really nice. So anyway, let me get home. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so that every time I upload a new video, you will know all about it. Take care, guys. See you next time.